Arthur Hayes scoops up $8.4 million in ETH and blue-chip alts in latest buying spree. Arthur Hayes, ETH. Arthur Hayes buys $8.4 million in ETH and blue-chip alts as Ethereum breaks $4,300 barrier, reversing his earlier bearish stance predicting $3,000 drop. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. August 11, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. BitMEX co-founder Arthur Hayes has executed an aggressive $8.4 million crypto buying spree over the past 24 hours, accumulating 1,500 ETH worth $6.35 million alongside substantial positions in blue-chip DeFi tokens, including LDO, ETHFI, and Pendle. The strategic purchases come as Ethereum breaks through the psychological $4,000 barrier after 7 previous rejections, with Hayes reversing his earlier bearish stance that predicted ETH would drop to $3,000. Hayes acquired 425,000 LDO tokens worth approximately $557,000, 420,000 ETHFI valued at $517,000, and 185,000 Pendle tokens worth $1.02 million. His buying spree coincides with massive institutional accumulation, as an unidentified whale purchased 221,166 ETH, worth $946 million in the past week through Galaxy Digital, FalconX, and BitGo. Institutional tsunami powers ETH beyond $4,300. Ethereum surged past $4,300 on Sunday, marking its highest weekly close since November 2021, with a 21% gain. The rally was fueled by massive institutional adoption, with publicly traded companies aggressively accumulating ETH treasuries worth billions. Bitmine Immersion Technologies leads corporate holdings with 833,137 ETH valued at over $3 billion, while SharpLink Gaming holds 521,900 ETH worth approximately $2 billion. The company filed a $200 million stock offering to expand its Ethereum treasury further. Similarly, Fundamental Global filed a $5 billion shelf registration with the SEC to build its own ETH-focused treasury. 17 public companies now collectively hold more than 1.74 million ETH valued at nearly $6.9 billion. Ethereum ETFs recorded $461 million in daily net inflows on Friday, surpassing Bitcoin's $403 million. BlackRock's ETHA ETF alone absorbed over $100 million on Thursday, pushing its net assets past $11 billion. As a result of this sudden rise, Vitalik Buterin returned to billionaire status with his on-chain portfolio valued at $1.04 billion, driven by his 240,042 ETH holdings. Ethereum's market capitalization reached $523 billion, overtaking MasterCard at $519 billion. Gas fees on Ethereum dropped to 53 cents. Historically signaling massive on-chain activity and price explosions. Glassnode reports that ETH addresses holding over 10,000 tokens hit 868,886 on Saturday, the highest in a year. Notably, ETH Sopper has also spiked to yearly highs, indicating a large portion of supply is being moved at a profit. This often reflects firm market conviction but can also precede profit-taking phases. Technical breakout signals path to 5-figure targets. Technical analysts identify Ethereum's breakthrough as a textbook Wyckoff accumulation pattern breakout, with the recent price increase representing a sign of strength resistance break. The pattern typically precedes sustained markup phases targeting $6,000. Ethereum broke above a 1.5-year resistance level after 6 consecutive green weekly candles in 7 weeks. Analysts also point to the breakout from a multi-year symmetrical triangle pattern with potential targets reaching $8,000 based on triangle measurements. Polymarket traders assign 96% probability to ETH reaching $4,400 and 76% probability of surpassing its previous all-time high to hit $5,000 before year-end. The asset trades just 13% below its November 2021 record of $4,878. This also comes as Bitcoin advocate Samson Moe warns the rally could reverse as early ETH holders rotate gains back into Bitcoin. He claims investors are pumping ETH on treasury narratives before dumping at highs, predicting no one wants ETH in the long run. However, Ethereum supporters dismiss these warnings as outdated Bitcoin maximalist rhetoric. The ETH/BTC ratio currently stands at 0.036, double its April low of 0.018. Amidst this massive boom, Vitalik but Aaron has also cautioned against excessive leverage in ETH treasuries, warning that a 30% market drop could trigger forced liquidations escalating to 90% crashes. His concerns reinforce earlier warnings from analysts about over-leveraged corporate treasury strategies potentially destabilizing markets. Cyclical pattern analysis points to correction despite institutional rally. Technical analysis reveals Ethereum has repeatedly reached resistance around $4,000 to $4,350 before experiencing significant corrections across 4 distinct cycles. Each peak was characterized by sustained high-volume activity over 40 to 47-day periods, with volume progression showing increasing participation in successive rallies. The current rally shows the highest volume yet, indicating growing institutional interest despite cyclical resistance levels. Open interest has grown exponentially from 2 billion to over 12 billion, with extreme levels historically coinciding with major tops and subsequent corrections. Ethereum's cyclical pattern suggests short-term bearishness targeting $3,200 to $3,600 support zones, but the longer-term trajectory remains upward, with each correction leading to progressively higher ultimate highs. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Pepe and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. GMO miner allows XRP holders to earn $6,800 a day. GMO miner launches XRP mining contracts. White House digital assets advisor Bo Hines steps down. Returns to private sector. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. $100 million Ripple plus XRP bet from Nasdaq firm. Is $10 XRP now inevitable? 8 hours ago. By Alejandro Arich. Press releases. XRP is predicted to reach $5. Seize the cloud mining opportunity and easily earn $100,000 per month. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Japan's first Bitcoin XRP ETF set to launch. Is this the trigger for $100 XRP? For days ago. By Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 5 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in August 2025. Top new crypto coins. 3 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in August 2025. August 4, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 6 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 6 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.